Let's start by visiting the Adobe homepage. Look for the Sign In button on the top right corner. Click on Sign In. You'll see an option, Create an Account. Click it to proceed. Now, fill in your email address. Make sure it's a valid one you frequently check. Next, create a secure password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for safety. Complete your profile details, like your name and country. Be as accurate as possible. Once everything is complete, click Create. Congratulations, you now have your Adobe account. Check your email for a verification link. Remember, it's important to verify your account. Click the link in your email to verify. This ensures your account is secure and personalized. Finally, sign in using your new credentials. Welcome to Adobe. Now you're ready to explore Adobe's tools. Get creative. Need help? Adobe's support is just a click away for any questions or issues. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.